Biju Janata Dal has opposed the delimitation based on population. BJD Supremo Navin Patnaik has stated that using population as the sole criteria is inappropriate. Odisha has played a leading role in population control. If the number of seats in the Parliament and Legislative Assembly is reduced based on population, it will harm the interest of the people of Odisha, Patnaik stated. He further said, therefore the central government should hold discussions with all political parties to clear any doubts. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party stated that they oppose Biju Janata Dal's stance and accused them of seeking refuge in Tamil Nadu just to oppose the Bharatiya Janata Party. They claimed that the delimitation is a regular process and it will not harm Odisha but will rather benefit it. The Biju Janata Dal is opposing it, which according to BJP MP Sukanta Panigrahi make the BJD anti-people.
Delimitation based only on population figures will be unfair to the states who have worked hard to reduce their population growth rates in line with national priorities. Odisha has done well successfully reducing its fertility rates over the years. Hence it is our stand that population should not be the only criteria to determine number of seats in the highest representative body of our country. Secondly, I suggest that the union government take up a detailed discussion with all the parties so as to remove any doubts on this very important issue that has far-reaching implications for our democracy.
जो आधार को फिक्स करके डिलिमिटेशन हवा जाऊँगी से ओडिशा लाभवान होउची जदि से विरोध करुछंती से लोक मान को ओडिशा रो लोक विरोधी बोली जना पड़िबे लोक माने तांको विरोध करिवे ओडिशा रे डिलिमिटेशन कारणरू सीट बढ़िबा को जाउची एवं ता सहित महिला बिल जो आसीची वर्तमान ता द्वारा महिला भी अधिका सेथिरे लाभवान हेबे अधिका सीट भी महिला माने पाइबे तेणु डिलिमिटेशन ओडिशा रो किछि क्षति हो नाही तेणु जो माने भारतीय जनता पार्टी की विरोध करिया पे केवल जाइकरी तमिलनाडु रे शरण नहीं मेंट करुछंती बीजेपी विरुद्ध रे तांकर आत्मसमीक्षा करबा दरकार जे जो कथाटाकू से विरोध करुछंती सेटा ओडिशा विरोधी ओडिशा रो जनसाधारण विरोधी कथाटाकू से समर्थन कले ओडिशा लोक तांको प्रत्याख्यान करिवे।